In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the animation timing in PowerPoint. If you've ever wondered how to give your presentation that professional touch with perfectly timed animations, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and explore this simple yet powerful feature of PowerPoint that can help you enhance your presentations. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're working with a pre-existing presentation, go ahead and open that up. If you're starting a new presentation and want to add animations, that's completely fine too. Animations can add an engaging, dynamic element to your slides, and getting the timing just right can make a world of difference. Now with your presentation open, let's direct our attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. Here you'll find several tabs, and today we're going to focus on the Animation tab. Clicking on this will reveal all the tools related to animations, including where we can adjust our timing. Once you've clicked on the Animation tab, take a look toward the far right hand corner of the ribbon. There you'll find the Duration section. This is where the magic happens. The Duration section allows you to specify exactly how long you want your animation to play, which is crucial for ensuring your presentation flows smoothly without any awkward pauses or rushed transitions. Now, let's adjust the timing to match your presentation's needs. In the Duration section, you'll see a box with a default time setting. By clicking in this box, you can manually enter the duration in seconds, or use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the time. Keep in mind that the duration you choose will depend on the type of animation and the pace you want to maintain within your presentation. For example, a quick fade might only need a second or two for impact, while a more elaborate animation might require several seconds to be fully appreciated. If you're unsure, consider running through your presentation a couple of times to see how different durations feel in the context. Also remember that you can always change this timing later if you find that it doesn't quite match the pacing you're aiming for. So feel free to experiment and find what works best for you and your audience. Tailoring this aspect of your slideshow can really raise the level of engagement during your presentation. With that, you now have the basic know-how to adjust animation timing in PowerPoint. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to creating dynamic and visually appealing presentations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.